dry ingredients. In here I've got baking soda and citric acid. I'm going to be adding a little bit of colorant, which is New Tone Orange Mica Powder from Crafter's Choice. You need to add a little bit of this because it kind of goes a really long way. I'm going to mix that in, as you can see. It colours it quite quickly. Can't really see that on there, but it is going a nice pale orange colour on that. I'm going to add a little bit more. Okay, should be enough. Now this orange will deepen when you add the liquid ingredients. There we go. Nicely blended. Okay, so for our liquid ingredients, we're sorry about this, I'm a little confused. It's stupid o'clock at night. Yeah, it's 11:30 at night, just before a show, but I figured that I needed some extra stock, so I decided to start making bath truffles. So I'm going to be adding my wet ingredients, and in the wet ingredients we have coconut oil and shea butter. So I'm going to add this slowly. And what I'm also going to add in, as this is going to make sure that it blends in nicely, I've got some poly 80, and what this does is it will help disperse the oils when they're in the bath. Now obviously one thing you've got to be careful of when you're in the bath with these is that there is butters in here, there is oils in here, so it can make the bath a little bit slippery, so obviously just be careful with that. I'm going to get this blended up as much as I can with the whisk, and then I'm going to go in by hand. Okay, now the fragrance I'm using today is Calypso Sun. That's not going to focus. It's Calypso Sun from Crafter's Choice. So we'll add that. I haven't got a spatula small enough for this, so I'll use my finger. Oh, that smells so good. Calypso Sun is citrus based, and it just smells amazing. Okay, so let's add some more of the oil. So yeah, as I was saying, I've got 2 vendor shows this weekend. And I've packaged all my stock up and split it between the 2, but it doesn't look a lot there, so I'm hoping I've got enough. With the rest of the oils, make sure that all that yumminess is in with that. Let's get to that. So yeah, I've had printing off all my labels and that. I've got some of my new stock, all my cold processed soap, and I've also included, I've got a few bars left over from when I was doing melt and pour, so I've kind of added that to it as well. I'm going to get in, that's why I've got gloves on. I'm going to dive in to make sure that it's all combined, and then none of that yummy butters are left out. So yeah, so I've had to separate it all. And as I'm packing everything up tonight, getting it all ready, I realised that I don't have enough change. So I'm going to go and set up. I have square, but I don't have cash. So I've got to go and set up, and then I'm going to send hubby to the bank first thing to go and get all my change for me. So do you like going to vendor events? Is that something you like doing? I'll put a poll up in the corner if you prefer going to vendor events, or do you prefer buying? Do you prefer buying in person, or do you like buying online? I'll add that poll up in whichever corner it is, and you can let me know what you like to do. I like going to vendor events. I like I like different things. I like going to vendor events because I like to see and smell the product, and chatting to the person who makes whatever. But I also like buying online because I get busy. I don't get a chance to go out, and it's just easier. Okay, so I think that's all blended in. So it's just a quick video tonight because I'm busy, crazy busy this weekend. So I'm going to get this uploaded and that. So there we go. So yep, if you can see that it sticks together quite nicely. Now what I've got is, I've got a tray here. I'll move this off to one side and bring the tray in. I've got a tray here with parchment paper on it. And what I'm going to do is just wipe my hands. I have this little ice cream scoop. You can see it's a small one. So I'm just going to, I can get both of them in at the same time. I'm going to pack that. And then just, press down, and it makes cute little balls. I don't know how many this is going to make. I'm hoping to get a couple of batches done tonight with a couple of different scents. And I'll get up early tomorrow once they've dried and package them up. So I'll get all the labels printed out tonight. What I might have to do is take a bunch with me tomorrow and package and label while I'm there, which is not very professional, but we do what we need to do, right? Making a mess. I'm not going to sit and let you watch me do all this, so I'll come back when I've finished it when I'm close to finishing it, so you can see how much this weighs and how many it makes. Alright, see you back after this. Okay, so here's the finished product. How cute are those? And they really do smell absolutely amazing. I managed to get 48 out of that one batch, so I think I'm going to make a couple more batches, but I'm going to split them up into different colours and different scents so that I can get a bigger range to sell. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hit a thumbs up, like, subscribe. I really appreciate all of you. Alright, see you next time. Love and bubbles. Bye.